cutting across live to images coming in from the Delhi Secretariat of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. You can see this there. She's meeting with different MLAs who also, of course, were part of the swearing-in ceremony. They're all exchanging bouquets as a welcome to the Secretariat. So the first order of business for Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is visiting the Secretariat. After this, she's going to be making her way to the ghats of the Yamuna as well, along with her entire cabinet. And there's the picture also of BJP MP Basuri Swaraj meeting with Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. You've got the senior leadership of the Delhi BJP all there to in fact felicitate Chief Minister Rekha Gupta.
सोलो करनी है फाइल कहाँ गई संजीव मंगल आ जाओ संजीव मंगल सारे लोग खड़े हैं यार
These are the latest images coming in of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta there meeting with all of the leaders of the Delhi BJP unit. She's going to be chairing her first cabinet meet at 7 p.m. So essentially hitting the ground running, no time to waste. She's down to business today and this evening at 7 p.m. in that cabinet meet, there will be, of course, a great deal of focus on what the BJP prioritizes. We are hearing from our sources that there will be a mention of the Yamuna cleanup, so that's the first matter of business that's expected. But there you have the picture of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta seated in that chair that all this while was reserved for Arvind Kejriwal, not even for Atishi, who refused to sit on the chair, saying that I will wait for Kejriwal to occupy that chair. We've seen, of course, countless images that came in of Kejriwal addressing his standard press conference with the picture of Bhagat Singh and Ambedkar in that particular room. Now you've got a BJP Chief Minister sitting on that very seat. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us with more details on this. Shreya, these were images we were familiar with of Arvind Kejriwal seated there as Chief Minister between the portraits of Bhagat Singh and Ambedkar. Now you've got a BJP Chief Minister there.
Absolutely. The change has started to be prominent. That's exactly why we see Rekha Gupta, the first woman Chief Minister of the National Capital, take seat as the Chief Minister, and here at the Delhi Secretariat, she's been greeted by MPs. We saw that visual of Basuri Swaraj greeting her in the Chief Minister's table. Apart from that, the other ministers, including the likes of Kapil Mishra, Parvez Verma, Pankaj Singh, Rajendra, etc., they've all reached over there, and they will be taking charge of their respective posts.
Okay, we'll reconnect with Shreya, fix her audio line for you. But Shreya giving us details really of how important these particular images are. And there you have Chief Minister Rekha Gupta going in also in a quick huddle there with Manjinder Singh Sirsa and with the Delhi in charge, Jay Panda as well. Remember that as far as optics go, the message that the BJP is looking to send across is that this is a woman Chief Minister who's going to waste no time in getting things done, which is why at 5 p.m. first visit will be to the Yamuna Ghat to take a look at what really needs to be done as far as the cleanliness mission of the BJP goes, and also to be a part of the Yamuna Aarti. At 7 p.m. she will chair a cabinet meet. Sources telling us there will be a meeting in which she will also discuss what is to be done on the Yamuna, but several other issues as well. Remember, an announcement has already been made about the 2,500 rupees financial aid for women being completed by Women's Day, the first installment being doled out before Women's Day. So that clearly is another focus area for Chief Minister Rekha Gupta as a woman CM to be focused on women-linked issues. And as we speak, there are also images coming in of the ministers entering into the Secretariat. Parvez Verma there entering in, and he, of course, there was a lot of talk, is upset over what's happened, the fact that he missed out on the CM throne. But you look at the images coming in there, he's standing with the entire team. It's a message of unity being sent across. The entire cabinet standing there, the Delhi cabinet, along with the MPs like Basuri Swaraj, you've got Jay Panda there, and several others also witnessing this moment as Chief Minister Rekha Gupta signs her first file, seated in the chair that Arvind Kejriwal occupied for the last many years. Like I said, even Atishi, who was the previous CM, refused to sit there, saying, I am keeping it for when Kejriwal returns as Chief Minister. The people of Delhi had different plans, however, and now you've got a BJP Chief Minister seated there. So the photo ops there taking place with all of the MLAs, the senior BJP leaders, all welcoming Rekha Gupta as Chief Minister in the Secretariat. Shreya Chatterjee is still with us for details of what we're seeing right now. Shreya, the first sign by Chief Minister Rekha Gupta on this official document, and thereby essentially sealing it, locking the fact that she is now the Chief Minister of Delhi. There will, of course, be a lot of focus on what her next 24 hours look like, but the message is very clear that there's no time to waste. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will hit the ground running.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. You know, already time has passed ever since that election that the BJP actually swept with 48 seats. And now finally, after 2 weeks, we have a chief minister who will be ruling the national capital for nothing less than 5 years. What we do understand right now that it will be extremely crucial to see at 7 p.m. when that cabinet meeting takes place, what are the first final decisions that are being made as a part of the government. People suggest that rolling out the Ayushman Bharat scheme in all likelihood will be a part of the first cabinet meeting, followed by giving out 2,500 to women, because Rekha Gupta has already suggested that by the 8th of March, women will start getting 2,500 as promised by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So two of these promises most likely will be met in the first cabinet meeting as well. And after that cabinet meeting, in all likelihood, we will also be seeing a briefing to the media on the decisions that have been taken place. Remember, assembly session will also have to be called in because the speaker needs to be sworn in. Apart from that, all the other MLAs, their swearing is also pending. So these are a host of affairs that we will be seeing for at least a week now before the government finally settles in. But today's first cabinet meeting will be extremely crucial because that will be setting the ball to roll on what the BJP is set to change so far as the national capital is concerned.
You know, this is the litmus test very much for Rekha Gupta as well. She's been chosen by the BJP. They are looking at, of course, ensuring that every promise they've made to Delhiites is fulfilled. So even for her, using her past administrative experience, Shreya, she's going to have to also, pass that litmus test within the BJP and otherwise of performing, of being an absolute performer and getting the job done.
Absolutely. And, you know, I mean, we do understand that at least for the Aam Aadmi Party, it was easier when it came to the promises, whenever things were not really right. And even all the analysis aside that, you know, it was also not a full government. But that's not really going to be the case for the BJP, because in the center it's the BJP, in the state it's the BJP. So for Rekha Gupta, it is going to be even more challenging. Any mishap in the government work, there will be a lot of flack and criticism because it's also the national capital where all the media eye lies. So it will be interesting to see how she takes this challenge at hand. She's suggesting that they will all be working together as Team Modi, all the 48 MLAs together. They will be setting some time-bound dedicated numbers on when and how these promises will be fulfilled. So essentially, it will be interesting that whether they will be actually giving out these details after the first cabinet or not. But if sources are to be believed, Akshita, Ayushman Bharat will be one of the top priority, followed by the 2,500 cash to women and obviously the revival of the Yamuna.
Okay, Shreya getting us all of those details right now of what really will be the first matter of business for Rekha Gupta and for the entire team, essentially, of the BJP cabinet. 7 p.m. is the cabinet meeting, which we will track very, very closely to tell you what really are the biggest priorities for the BJP in the national capital.